Hello and welcome back to Using Excel. What we're going to do today is we're going to start a table by typing in some things into some empty cells, and then we're going to do a basic calculation, which is really what Excel is used for. So here we go. So to type into a cell, first you have to select it. So cell A1 is not selected. To select it, you simply click on it. Now it is selected. Now I can type whatever I want in there. So what I'm going to type is addition example. So addition example. Done. Now when you press enter, your cell will automatically go down, the selected cell. So when I press enter, you'll see the selected cell go down to row 2. Again, we'll go down to row 3. Here's where we'll put in our first set of values and our first formula. So the first value that we're going to put in is, say, 2. When I press enter, it goes down. But when I press tab on the keyboard, my active cell will go to the right one. So sometimes you will want to go down, and sometimes you will want to go to the right. Also, the keys on your keyboard will make it go up, down, left, and right, the active cell. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my mouse to click on cell B3 to make it the active cell. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in another value. The value is going to be 2. I'm going to press tab. And let's pretend here that we want to get a total in cell C3. Again, it's cell C3. So the way you type in a formula that Excel will use to calculate a value is to start out with the equal sign. All formulas, by definition, start off with equals. If it doesn't have an equal, it is not a formula. It is either a value or a label. So we are going to start off with equals. Then we're going to tell Excel which cells we want to calculate. So in this example, we want to calculate A3, A3 plus B3. So we're going to add whatever is in cell A3 and add it to whatever is in cell B3. So we're going to type in A3, and then on your keyboard plus, move this out of the way, B3. When you are typing in a formula, Excel will automatically highlight those cells that you have indicated. So you'll see A3 is in blue here, and you'll see the cell A3 is in blue. B3 is highlighted in red, so you'll see B3, the cell itself, highlighted in red. You're done with your formula now. All you have to do is press enter, and Excel will accept the formula and start the calculation. I'll press enter. And there it is. Your total is 4, 2 plus 2. The formula only has to be entered once. Again, the formula was A3 plus B3. Anytime one of the cells changes, the value in the cell, so anytime the value in cell A3 changes or the value in cell B3 changes, the answer or total here will automatically update. So if I put in an 8, for example, and I press tab to go over to the right, you'll see the total changes to 10. If I type in 8 and then I press tab to go over, you'll see the total becomes 16. Okay? As many times as you want to, 1,000, 10,000, or 100,000, and it will automatically calculate the total. You never again have to touch this cell if the formula is correct. And that's it for your introduction to entering in labels, values, and formulas.